How can we reinvent development cooperation with innovation labs? How could this look like at the Federal Ministry for Economic Cooperation and Development? My name is Manuel and I'm project manager at GIZ. We are here to present a unique project which has recently been launched, the BMZ digilab. This is a pioneer project within German development cooperation and a highly cooperative initiative between multiple partners and disciplines. Development agencies and donors everywhere face similar problems. How can we implement new working methods and scale digital solutions so that we can push forward towards the sustainable development goals? We tackled these issues from three sides. First, scouting. Together with startups, the tech industry and civil society, we identified how to best harness digital solutions to achieve the SDGs. Among other things, we just initiated a broad innovation challenge to enable climate resilient, smart cities and communities in close cooperation with international and private sector partners. For instance, the ICT Ministry of Kigali is one of our challenge providers. Startups, students and researchers from around the globe have submitted their ideas and our teams can't wait to further develop solutions with them.
But how do we scale these solutions? My name is Jonathan and I'm a project manager for BMZ's digilab. We aim to pick up the solutions developed for Rwanda and applying them to the rest of the world through our vast partner network and BMZ's global footprint. This allows us to scale local and regional initiatives and make them a global success while achieving economies of scale. We want to enable a sustainable and greener future to all places which want their urban infrastructure to become more sustainable. We thus enable the public sector to tackle climate-related risk with digital solutions. This will help making the planet greener, our economies more sustainable, and increase the overall quality of life.
But how can we actually integrate this into our daily work? That's the question we want to respond here at BMZ digilab. I'm Stella, I'm coordinating the digilab for the German Federal Ministry for Economic Cooperation and Development. And what we do here is we aim at changing the working culture. We really want to harness our learnings and takeaways with all the startups and governments and the partners we're working with. So the goal is to apply the agile working methods like Scrum or Design Thinking in our daily work here at the Ministry. So we want to enable cooperative working across the divisions and units and really not make a difference between any sector or any team. So for this reason, we have created this space. As you can see here where I'm sitting, this space is not a typical one, and this is a place where we can all collaborate and engage collaboratively together. We can freely rethink and redesign, reinvent simply processes in the development cooperation. Because as you know, BMZ is also part of the public administration of Germany. Usually what we actually have noticed that we struggle with reinvent ourselves and reinvent processes and really adapt to changes and do this in a more adapt more efficiently to changes, which is why we have created this space to not only create processes for adapt more quickly and efficiently cross team and cross sector, but also to give this a physical location where you can do this. So we really want to broadly apply more agile working methods to become a future fit and also a digital first ministry. We want to become a pioneer here in doing this and in really integrating agile working methods into our daily lives. So we here at digilab are a lighthouse project when it comes to human-centered digitalization. So what we want to do here is really implement agile working methods, use them in our daily lives, but we are very well aware that there are plenty of innovation labs in our partner countries and innovation units in other ministries that are doing a great work. So actually we wanted to use the time here to introduce one of them. There is one partner initiative of ours which is called GovStack. GovStack is founded by the International Telecommunications Unit, by the Government of Estonia, by GIZ and the Digital Impact Alliance. And what they do is actually they enable countries to kickstart their digital transformation journey. It can actually mean adopting, developing, and scaling digital transformation services. What they do, they work with the so-called building block approach, and you can very easily, if you work with GovStack, create or modify your digital platforms or services.
Digital transformation in Egypt is not different from other countries. We studied several experiences from different countries. We studied actually the peculiarities of Egypt and the differences in Egypt, and we put a strategy that is based on platform. The platform concept is to connect all the participants and all the stakeholders into one electronic or digital platform where they can exchange information and they can actually transact into this platform.
Can you tell me more about the Digital Egypt platform?
Digital Egypt platform is an end-to-end service delivery where we are connecting the different organizations in order to avoid any trips between these organizations to realize the service of the citizens.
And what are the benefits of this approach?
The benefit of this approach is mainly to have a free flow of information and knowledge between organizations, either private sector, public sector, financial services, telcos, in order to make sure that we serve the client or the citizen the best.
And can you tell me more, how will the citizen benefit directly from this digital transformation of public services?
Getting the service from the benefit of this service for the citizen is to get the service from home, from any place, anytime, and at the same time without any exploitation or without any, I would say, delays into getting what he needs from the government.
And would you like to say something about GovStack in Egypt?
GovStack in Egypt is actually, we believe in GovStack, and we believe in the way of structuring it for having a streamlined government, and we believe Egypt will be the first country to realize GovStack.
The digilab is rethinking with its partners how development cooperation works.
Our focus is on human-centered digital solutions which contribute to sustainable development.
This means we want you to be involved as well.
Think about how to tackle a specific SDG and how we can help to support it with digital innovations.
Take part in one of our next activities.
Share your own ideas on how to make the development work more agile. Reach out to us to BMZ Thinking.
Thank you.